let us look at the makeup of the mind, understand it a little bit more, see what choices we have, and how these choices can help us. In the Bhagavad Gita, it describes the mind as being endowed with qualities. And the Sanskrit word for qualities is guna. Guna has actually two meanings. One is quality, and the second, the word guna, which binds us to the wheel of birth and death. But in this session, I'd like to focus on the meaning of quality. So, the Vedas, the Gita, explain this whole realm in which we live as triguna, meaning it is made of three groupings of qualities. And where do these qualities live? In the mind, of course. These three groupings of qualities coexist in you and myself and every other human being that you see. So let's have a look at them.